What did Deshaun Watson do? Why can this man not play football? If you can answer me, just tell me in the comments what he did that constitutes him as one of the only humans on earth to have to stop living his life and do what he enjoys. If you make this personal, how would you like if somebody just flat out stopped you and told you you can't do what you desire to do? I'm asking again, put it in the comments. Tell me what the Cleveland Browns quarterback Deshaun Watson did to these women, 66 of them or 24 of them or 22 or whatever the number is. What did he do to them that constitutes him being suspended from the National Football League indefinitely? Robert Kraft and other hillbillies who have done things to women didn't get so much as a lash, a scratch, or no backlash at all for anything that they have done. Now, I don't give a fuck if everybody looks at me, stops my channel. I'm not doing any numbers anyway. So I'm saying, what the fuck did Deshaun Watson do for this world to persecute this young man from being able to live his fucking best life? Now, you can use that and tie that into your own son and daughter as well. Why your son or daughter or even you cannot do whatever it is you desire to do. So this video, I am backing and supporting the freedom of people to do what the fuck they want to do in their lives that does not cause damage, hurt, or harm physically or mentally or spiritually to other people. So let's talk a few minutes about mental fucking health. If you are a mental fucking case and you're lying on people, then you need to stop that shit. And if you don't know you're doing it, somebody needs to fucking tell you. Stop getting people in trouble with your lies. Get on with your life. He or she don't want you no more. Maybe they never did. It might have just been sex. Get over it. Quit trying to bring everybody else down with your vindictiveness. If you would put that fucking energy into something positive, then maybe you can move on and do something. I'm asking again, what the fuck did Deshaun Watson do for everybody to bring a hammer down on him like that? Now, I know, in case somebody's saying this, I know Deshaun Watson don't give two fucks about me. I get it. Whether I live in a brothel, whether my car is fucked up, whether I work in a temp service or unemployed under a bridge, living under a bridge, he don't give two fucks about me. I understand that. And if I had a woman that was fine enough, yes, he would fuck her, I'm sure. No question about that. But my discussion is for the plight or the freedom of somebody who didn't do anything. And if he did do something, then tell me, other than a bunch of fucking women whose feelings is hurt because a multimillionaire didn't want to build a relationship with you. And it ain't just on the millionaire, billionaire status scale. That shit is for the poor people too. These niggas around the corner, hillbillies alike, that ain't got a dime, a pot to piss in, no window to throw them out of, still got women problems. Still got problems with guys. Mind your fucking business. That's what I'm saying. So put down in the comments again, What the fuck did Deshaun Watson do?